Hello and welcome to the Bikes Entry. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this BMW R1200 GS Adventure. Now this is a 2018 model and it's 1190. It's a boxer twin, as you can see. These are famous, I'm sure if you're watching this video you've already done your research. Made famous by the trip the long way round with you and Charlie, and has been sort of the mainstay flagship for BMW's adventure range ever since. The Adventure is slightly more towards the touring end than the standard R1200, so things like a bigger tank, a bigger fairing, that sort of thing. Lots of additional accessories that come with the Adventure, and this is a 2018 model, so one of the last of the 1200s before they went to the 1250, but this does have the TFT dash, so it's one of the later ones just before they moved over to the 1250 engine. So let's start at the front, shall we? So we've got the wire front wheels, as you'd expect from any adventure bike, paired with Brembo 4-pot calipers and big old brakes on the front, twin discs. Loads and loads of stopping power this bike. One of the nice features about this bike being a proper adventure bike is an extended front fender, which just helps to protect the exhaust and the front of the engine from stone chips, corrosion, that sort of thing. Bike's fitted with a steering dampener. It's fitted just behind the front suspension. It's got a monoshock just behind the front forks there. This is all part of the electronic suspension, which I'll show you when we get to the front of the bike. The Adventure's fitted with engine bars, crash bars and auxiliary headlights as well. It's also fitted with LED indicators, and you've got a height adjustable screen there, and then the kind of signature squinty eye of the front of the R1200s. And a lot of the BMWs follow suit as well, including the F800s. So you've got the boxer engine sticking out this side, covered with the engine guards. We've got a centre stand as well, electronically adjustable suspension and height adjustable seat on these. For those of us who've got a sort of shorter inner leg, you can adjust the suspension down, and I believe the seat has got 2 positions that can be adjusted as well. Single-sided swing arm again, it's a wire wheel, standard exhaust. The bike has pre-installation for panniers. If you're interested in panniers, let us know. We may be able to do a deal on a set of panniers, and is also fitted with the stainless top box as well. Cosmetically, this bike's in really nice condition. Of course, it's a used bike. You might find a few sort of minor stone chips here and there, but generally speaking, this bike has been very well kept and very well loved. There's a few sort of bits of paint chipped off on the centre stand, as is very common, and also on the front of the foot. The rear brake there as well, as you can see. Everything else on this bike is in very good condition. As you can see, the bodywork's in fantastic condition. There's no bangs, scrapes, scuffs, anything like that at all. It's been very well loved. These bikes are fitted with handguards. There's a very minor blemish just on the end of this handguard here. Again, very minor wear and tear. The bike hasn't been on its side or anything like that. It's obviously been brushed against something. As you can see, it's a very wide motorcycle, so pushing this down alleyways and all this kind of stuff and in and out of the garage, you can see how people mark these things up. Again, on this side, it's very much the same. Very good condition. No signs of ever being dropped or any scrapes on the bars or anything like that at all. Bodywork's in fantastic condition, as you can see. Obviously, this bike does come with ABS. It's actually a keyless ignition, this bike, which I'll show you shortly. Shaft driven, as you would expect for any serious tourer, and a very comfy rear seat. So if you were taking a pillion, these are perfect for touring with pillion, and obviously fully loaded with luggage, hence the electronic suspension. So keyless ignition, I've got the key in my pocket. You'll notice straight away that this bike does come with the Garmin sat-nav as well, made by BMW. It's the model, excuse me, it's the model with the TFT dash, as you can see. Lots of different settings, all available using the controls on the left-hand side. So you've got your cruise control. These buttons help you to control the menu. Obviously, you've got your ABS settings, your suspension settings, your modes. Everything like that can be controlled here. You've got your auxiliary headlights just here. And on this side, it's got the controls for the heated grips, the SOS function as well, which is a nice one, and your power mode selections here as well. It's a really nice bit of kit, this. The TFT dash looks absolutely stunning. I would say it's one of the best in the industry. And there's some various different adjustments that you can have on the screen, operated just here. There's also a power charge socket just here as well. Let's give it a start up for you. nice sounding engines, very well balanced actually. Some of these, when you do rev them, the centrifugal force of the, or the gyroscopic force of the engine actually rocks the bike, but this is very, very well balanced. It's a stunning bit of kit, this. It's got the extended BMW warranty on it still, which I think is transferable. As I said, if you do want panniers, please let us know, because we might be able to do a deal on a set of panniers for you as well. We offer a 3-month warranty and free UK delivery as well. We also offer finance and part exchange. So if those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat, we've got all the social medias. Of course, you're welcome to pop into the showroom for a chat, try the bike on for size, or you can give us a call and have a chat over the phone. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.